Hey there! We were recently asked why it's important to regularly reevaluate your supply chain, and in order to answer that, let's delve a little into supply chains holistically. At its core, a supply chain is the lifeline of any business. It's the intricate web connecting suppliers, manufacturers, and customers together. With this being said, the business landscape is dynamic, with factors like delayed shipments, inventory shortages, and political and economic changes. It's important to keep in mind that what worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. This is where reevaluation comes in. Regularly reevaluating your supply chain is like conducting preventative maintenance on a vital machine. It helps you identify potential weaknesses and vulnerabilities before they escalate into disruptions, which ultimately ensures a seamless flow of goods and services. Market trends evolve, technologies advance, and consumer preferences shift, so staying ahead of these changes is crucial for remaining competitive. Regular evaluations also empower businesses to adapt and capitalize on emerging opportunities, safeguarding long-term success. And this is where our service offerings can assist. We understand the importance of a well-optimized supply chain, so we offer free resources and services through the GENEDGE Alliance for manufacturers to visually map their supply chains and identify areas of improvement. Through this process, we can also evaluate potential suppliers and clients to add to your current network. To summarize everything, regular reevaluation of your supply chain is not just a practice, it's a necessity. It's about adaptability, resilience, and securing the future of your business. If you're interested in assessing the health of your supply chain, contact us today. Bye for now.